Hello, my name is Kaylee and I'm 14 and this is my YouTube Science Lab entry. My question is, how will microgravity affect the three phases of water? And by the three phases of water, I mean liquid water turning into a solid, then turning into a gas. The hypothesis is that the effect of microgravity will cause the water to change states and will not phase the same way, meaning it will not ice cube would not turn into a liquid water the same way it would, or liquid water will not freeze and turn into an ice cube the same way it would here on Earth. The method is to take 3 freshwater samples up into the International Space Station, and then sample 1 is frozen and observed how it freezes, as it freezes the same way as water would here on Earth. Sample 2 is heated and observed, will it evaporate the same way it does here on Earth? Does it change at all? And then sample 3 is left the same and just observed and see if it changes at all. When all 3 samples have changed in some way, slowly melt the ice and observe how it changes. Does the ice cube melt the same way that ice would melt into water here on Earth? And then cool the container that has a sample 2 and observe. Does the gas turn back into liquid water the same way it would here? Would the water vapors turn into condensation and turn into water the same way it would? The water samples should have melted or evaporated differently in microgravity than it would on Earth. So there should be some changes, hopefully, in how they melt or freeze or evaporate, how the water phases, basically. So that is my experiment, and I hope you choose to do that.